Hello, I'm Marta Martinez. I lead the partner ecosystem for Google Marketing Platform in the US. For marketing professionals like you, these uncertain times require that first you be highly adaptable to the constantly changing behavior. Second, that you be productive while working remotely from home. And third, and most important, they require that you make every dollar count. The good news is that with a robust and coherent advertising platform, you can overcome these three challenges and be relevant, productive, and efficient. There's no special playbook for times like this, but I've narrowed observations across enterprise companies around the world into 7 best practices. Ready? Let's get started. In turbulent times, you will be tempted to avoid any sort of brand connection with sensitive topics, but be careful not to overreact. For example, in the wake of COVID, virtually all content available online was about this topic or indirectly referencing this topic. If you were to exclude the COVID-19 keyword in your display and video 360 strategies, you would risk going dark completely. When possible, we recommend that you use display and video 360 sensitive categories that will allow you to avoid serving ads along the most direct content without completely avoiding all association with what's going on in the world. It's a great way to protect your brand against the riskiest content while still supporting your news partners and not limiting your ability to reach your audience at scale. Sensitive categories are also a lot less laborious to manage than site or keyword exclusions. Second, constantly reassess your campaigns, your creative, and even your guidelines. What you decided 2 weeks ago might no longer be appropriate today. There are many tools within Google Marketing Platform that can help you keep a pulse on the performance in your program. I want to call your attention to Data Studio. Let's say that you need to create a report that shows you online sales for each one of your Search Ads 360 campaigns during the last 60 days. You can use the Search Ads 360 template to quickly create that report and understand which campaigns are driving the higher conversions so you can shift budgets to those marketing programs. For many of our customers, right now, being helpful means pivoting their focus almost exclusively to their online activities. If you are relying on your website as your main sales channel, make sure that you're leveraging all of the advanced product capabilities that exist within Google Analytics 360. Advanced analysis is a toolset that allows you to better understand how your potential customers are interacting with your website. You can, for example, do something like a funnel analysis technique to understand every single touch point and identify potential bottlenecks in the process to make sure that you're making it very easy for your customers. All kinds of creative elements require maximum scrutiny right now. All of the contextual elements in your media buy need to be very carefully assessed. We have also heard that our customers need to make quick changes to their website. Things like the hours of operation or the shipping policy might have changed in the circumstances. Optimize is the Google Marketing Platform tool that allows you to create personalization in your website to respond to situations like this. In fact, we've tried to make it even easier, and we've recently launched a new feature that allows you to push a message to your customers at the top of your homepage. I'm sure you've seen some of those online recently. Beyond these basic use cases, you can connect Optimize 360 to your Google Analytics audience to create advanced personalization on your site. For example, for visitors who come to your site and place an item in the cart but do not complete the purchase, you could push a promotional message with either a discount or free shipping to help them complete all the way to the end. To stay relevant in this fast-changing environment, you might be tempted to change your key performance indicators in favor of some short-term KPIs. Try to resist that urge. It's more than likely that anything you learn from the successes or failures of trying to hit those KPIs will not be useful in the future. Instead, you can use this time to work on structural upgrades to your analytic capabilities. Play with all of the new technologies out there. You can do things like connect your Google marketing platform with Google Cloud to get your data in order for the future. For example, one of the things you could do is import your Google Analytics data into BigQuery to run an analysis that helps you understand which products and customers are driving the highest value for your company. Once you have that data, you can import it back into Google Analytics and create an audience that would allow you to address those customers suggesting a product repurchase or maybe the purchase of a complementary product through Display and Video 360. Machine learning and automation are your allies to help you stay relevant and save time in this changing environment. Automated bidding strategies is a great example of this. Whether you're leveraging them in Search Ads 360 or in Display and Video 360, automated bid strategies can help you react effectively to the volatility in data or to the sudden changes of demand that we are seeing. And to provide you with more flexibility and choice, we've recently introduced custom bidding. With this, you will have the new ability to customize our bidding technology with your own data models and insights. Finally, leverage Skillshop, our self-paced online course that will make you proficient in everything related to Google Marketing Platform. It will even get you ready for the official certification. If you love these best practices, check out our resources for more. Thank you and stay safe.